Where we left off was you had just used your knowledge of this line of code to answer questions 1 through 4 on the Google form. Now, let's do some coding for ourselves. In the CodePen template, change the first H1 tag so it says something different than the best things about mozzarella sticks using the JavaScript code we've learned today. Maybe make it the worst things about mozzarella sticks. Ahaha. Thing is, you're not just going to change the words inside here, the best to the worst. That would be changing it in HTML. I want you to do it in JavaScript. So, you've got 2 tasks to accomplish to show me that you can do. Question 5. Add an ID name to the first H1 tag. Show me that you know how to do that. And copy your line of code down here once you've edited this in the proper way. Question number 6. Add a line of JavaScript code similar to the one that's changed our first section of code. Used it to change the first H1 tag in HTML. Copy and paste your line of code underneath when you are done. You are going to change code for yourself by making something similar to this. Copy it, put it down here, and edit it in the way such that it'll change this line of code. Then once you're done, save it, go to the top of your code, copy the link, and in question number 7, right-click and click paste with your CodePen link. If you're not quite sure how to do that, then you can rewatch the video that I just showed again. You'll hit submit. Now, there is a little bit of a challenge problem for those who are interested in taking this a little further, especially if you have class on Friday and you're interested in looking at it over the weekend. In this 4.1 notes that you've opened up before, on the second page, there's the code to change other things in JavaScript. Changing a picture, changing text color, changing border color, changing a link to be something different. I suggest doing is seeing if you can implement any of those lines of code over here on the right as a little bit of a fun additional challenge. You can use the bottom of your notes as an example. We'll skip on the group discussions for today and get back into them next time. These are the written instructions for your homework of what you're supposed to do. Please email me if you have any questions. I'd love to help out. My office hours are again from 2 to 4 today, and I'd love to answer them. If you're getting a little bit cooped up at home, if you want to catch up, if you want to talk to other students, there'll probably be other students there. Feel free to drop by and say hey. We'll make our direct instruction a little bit shorter for this week, since it's a Friday for those of you who are taking class today. On Monday, you'll luck out too. We'll have one more full lesson before spring break, and I'm hoping that on Thursday, March 23rd, we'll be able to make our first working buttons in JavaScript. It'll be pretty clever since we've been talking about it for a while. Thank you so much, folks, and I'll talk to you soon.